Wait. Those are the jokes, Dora.
The National Weather Service in Caribou, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Aroostook County in northern Maine. This includes the cities of Presque Isle, Portage, Limestone, Fort Fairfield, Caribou, until 3 o'clock p.m. at 2:05 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located 6 miles north of Woodland, or 11 miles northwest of Caribou, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Easton, Marteau, and Loring.
You know.